The library explains the library. Philip is a new student at the South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences. He wants to use the services of the library and contacts a librarian. She tells him that he first needs to activate his library account. He can easily do this online through a provided link. After that, he can make use of all library services at all campuses of the university. The librarian also points out that Philip Schiaparello serves as his library card at the same time. External guests can also use the library. To sign up, they should go through the user portal in Kai. In the case of minors, the consent of a parent or legal guardian is also required. You can find the required form on the website's download section. Philip is aware that the library stocks print and electronic media. He can borrow the media free of charge, also from the other branch libraries of the university. All media are listed in our online catalog Kai. The library has a Wi-Fi connection to which Philip can connect. He can use the individual or group workstations in the library. Philip didn't even know that. This is perfect for his study group. She also shows him the homepage where news is published, such as changes in opening hours. Philip is impressed by how much the library has to offer. If he still has questions, he can always contact the library, in person or by email. Are you also a new student at the university and would you like to use the library? Do you have any further questions? Do you need help with research? Visit our homepage and learn more about our services. The library helps.